Creating and selling ebooks can be a game changer. Imagine making money by sharing your knowledge or passion, whether it's a step-by-step guide, a non-fiction book, or any valuable content. Major content creators are leveraging this simple method to rake in tons of cash, and you can too. The best part? Selling ebooks can be just as profitable for beginners as it is for already famous creators. It's all about marketing and optimizing your ebook listing the right way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and sell ebooks online using Canva for design, Etsy and Amazon for sales. Stick around until the end because I've got a major tip for marketing and optimizing your ebook listings that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and get started on turning your ideas into a profitable reality. Step 1. Generate content using ChatGPT. Start by deciding on the topic of your ebook. To do that, we will log into ChatGPT website and put in the prompt, generate 10 unique ebook ideas on living a happy life as a single woman. Wait a few seconds and here we go. We go through the list. So number 2 seems good. Let's go with that. Next, we will generate content for our topic. Use ChatGPT to create the content for your ebook. You can prompt ChatGPT with specific questions or requests for each section of your ebook, but for our chosen topic, we will start by generating the outline for our book by inputting, create an outline for an ebook on the art of self-love, nurturing your well-being as a single woman for our prompt. Then click enter. Wait a few seconds and here we go. Our outline is ready. Then we will proceed to start generating our content chapter by chapter. Once you have all the sections generated, compile them into a single document. You can choose to edit the generated content, personalize it as much as you'd like. It's entirely your choice. Now let's move on to step 2, create the ebook using Canva. So you go to Canva and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. In the Canva search bar, type ebook and browse through the available templates. You have free and paid options. Choose one that fits the style and theme for your content. You have ebook templates with multiple pages attached to it, and you have those with just a single page. This looks good, so let's select this. On the template page, if you look at the left-hand side, you would see elements that will present you with more template options to choose from. This has multiple pages and it's beautiful, so we'll just go with this instead. Now let's customize our templates. I usually like to change my images first, so let's start with the first page. You can upload your own images or use Canva's library of free and premium images. To use images from Canva library, go to Elements and search for the image of your choice. Since the book is about women, so we'll just search for images on women. After customizing the first page, I usually like to change the title before proceeding to other images. It centers me and gives me a better sense of direction. It's just a personal thing for me, but you can choose to do it in whatever order suits you. We will copy the title from ChatGPT and paste it into our text box right here. You can change the fonts, colors, and size to suit your taste. And after that, we will proceed to the images on the rest of the pages. Once we're done with that, we will then start to copy and paste the content generated by ChatGPT into the relevant sections of the template. Start with the outline, then the sections and chapters. Don't forget, you can change the font to your choice. To do that, click on the text and then use the font menu at the top to select a different font. Choose fonts that are easy to read and match the tone of your ebook. If needed, adjust the layout by dragging and dropping elements, resizing text boxes, and changing colors to match your brand or ebook theme. If you need more pages than the template provides, you can add new pages by clicking Add a New Page at the bottom of the page list. Once you're done with that, go through each page to ensure the content is properly aligned, the images are high quality, and the text is error-free. If you are satisfied with your design, click the share button at the top right corner of Canva, then download. Choose PDF as the file type and download your ebook. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps the algorithm know you enjoyed this content and suggests it to others who might benefit from it too. Step 3. Sell your ebook on Etsy. If you don't already have an Etsy account, sign up at Etsy and follow the prompts to set up your Etsy shop. And if you have that already set up, then log into your Etsy account. Click on Sell on Etsy and then add a listing. Upload images of your ebook cover and a few sample pages. You can also upload a trailer video for your ebook here. Creating trailer videos for ebooks is a powerful marketing strategy employed by many best-selling authors. Utilizing AI tools like Pictory can significantly enhance the production of these videos. I have developed a comprehensive video that showcases Pictory alongside other impactful AI tools to help you successfully create and market your ebooks and other business ventures. You can view the video by clicking the button in the top right corner of the screen or by following the link in the description box below. Write a compelling title and description for your ebook. Be sure to include keywords that will help people find your ebook. eRank AI tool will come in handy in researching keywords for your ebook on your Etsy store. Next, you decide on a price for your ebook, and in the digital files section, upload the PDF of your ebook. Review your listing and click Publish. So step 4, sell your ebook on Amazon. Go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and sign up for a free account, or you log in if you already have an account. Click on Create a new title and then click on Kindle ebook. Fill in the details about your ebook, including title, author, and description. Upload the PDF of your ebook. If you created a separate cover file, upload it here. And if not, use the cover from your PDF. Use the Kindle Previewer tool to see how your ebook will look on different devices. Choose where you want to sell your ebook. Set the price for your ebook. Amazon will show you the royalties you earn based on your price. Review all the details and click Publish your Kindle ebook. Your ebook will be live on Amazon within 72 hours. By following the steps, you can create a professional-looking ebook using Canva and sell it on popular platforms like Etsy and Amazon. Now it is time for me to reveal the secret tips to boosting SEO for your ebook. First, use keywords in your ebook title and description. Keywords help readers find your ebook online, and here is how you go about it. Think about words your audience might search for. For example, plant-based diet, vegan recipes. Incorporate these phrases smoothly into your title and description. Make sure to avoid keyword stuffing. Next, optimize your product listing with relevant tags and categories. Pick categories that fit your ebook, like health and wellness for a diet book. Use tags like plant-based diet or healthy eating to improve search visibility. And that's not all. Here are some bonus tips to supercharge your ebook's SEO. These tools can give you an edge by providing valuable insights and suggestions. Tools like Google Keyword Planner will help you find popular search terms related to your topic. eRank is also a great tool, especially for Etsy sellers. It provides keyword suggestions and trends to enhance your listings. Uber Suggest is also a great tool to generate keyword ideas and SEO tools. Yoast SEO optimize your descriptions for better readability and keyword use. And that's not all. Here are some bonus tips to supercharge your ebook's SEO. 1. Create a strong call to action. Encourage readers to buy with phrases like "get your copy now." 2. Offer limited time discounts to create urgency. 3. Build an email list for future promotions. 4. Ask early readers for reviews to build credibility. So those are the secret tips to boost your ebook's SEO and sales. Alright, savvy earners, now you know how to create and sell ebooks online using Canva, Etsy, and Amazon. With the powerful marketing tips learned here, like optimizing your listings with the right keywords and leveraging social media along with the step-by-step process of creating and selling ebooks, you will be well on your way to turning your creativity into a steady stream of income. Remember, the key to success is not just creating an amazing ebook, but also marketing it effectively. These strategies will help you reach a wider audience and maximize your earnings. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time we drop new videos on entrepreneurial success and AI-powered business strategies. And don't forget to drop a comment below with the type of ebook you're planning to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. Keep hustling, keep creating, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. The sky's the limit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.